Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are taking a close look at a premier adventure scooter, the new Honda ADV160 in the stealthy matte black adrenaline color scheme, presented here in the Smart Tourer edition. In person, this matte black finish looks aggressive and purpose-built, accented by red ADV160 badges and red contrast stitching on the seat. It delivers a genuinely premium urban adventure presence. Let's break down the exterior features. Up front, you get sharp, full LED headlights with integrated daytime running lights for great visibility. Above that is a two-position adjustable windscreen to manage wind buffeting on high-speed runs. Out back, the highlight of the Smart Tourer edition is the factory Honda Smart Top Box, fully integrated with the keyless remote system. For suspension, it relies on twin Showa rear shock absorbers with gold piggyback reservoirs designed to soak up rough city streets and unpaved trails alike. At the heart of this machine is Honda's proven ESP Plus 156.9cc liquid-cooled 4-valve engine with PGMFI fuel injection. It delivers lively low to mid-range torque, offering instant throttle response, whether you're filtering through city traffic or tackling dirt roads. Power is managed alongside HSTC, Honda's Selectable Torque Control, which prevents rear wheel slip on slick or loose surfaces to boost riding confidence. Stepping up to the rider's seat, the wide, tapered handlebars provide an upright, commanding control position. The cockpit features a full-color TFT digital instrument panel displaying speed, RPM, fuel level, coolant temperature, and time. On the right handlebar switchgear, you'll find the idling stop system toggle and hazard lights, while the left side controls screen navigation. And for keyless convenience, the Honda Smart Key system lets you start the bike and access the seat without pulling out a physical key. Comfort meets durability on this build. The dual-level stepped seat features fine red contrast stitching for a sporty feel. This showcase model is also fitted with side crash bars and stainless steel footrest plates for added ruggedness. Checking the official Eco sticker, this 160cc scooter boasts an average fuel consumption of just 2.3 liters for every 100 kilometers. That's an impressive 43.5 kilometers per liter. Meeting Euro 5 emission standards with only 51 grams per kilometer of CO2, it ranks among the most efficient in its class. To wrap up the specs, the Honda ADV160 features a 156.9cc ESP Plus engine, V-Matic automatic transmission, single-channel front ABS, and dual-purpose block pattern tires. The standard recommended retail price starts at 101,900 baht. The fully equipped Smart Tourer edition shown here, complete with the Smart Top Box and special promotion rates, is priced at 115,900 baht. It represents fantastic value for an adventure-ready scooter right off the showroom floor. What do you guys think of the new Honda ADV160 in matte black adrenaline? It's stealthy, feature-packed, and exceptionally practical for both daily commutes and weekend road trips. If you enjoyed this review, please hit that like button, share, and subscribe to the channel for more motorcycle content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.